always told you should calm down. Like, what do you want to do? Like, beat her? Or what?
Did you hear me, Peter? Huh? Did you? But why can't she just listen to simple instruction? I told her, take this here for Mr. Dennis to sign it. And she told me to my face. She said, no. Why?
Okay, that should not be enough reason why you should be ranting this way.
It is more than enough. You know me. I can't be with a woman that's not... See, a woman that doesn't submit to me shouldn't be with me in the first place. When I say do something, I mean follow my instruction to the letter. If not, you don't go walk now.
You see, this is your problem. See, all what you just mentioned should come from a girl who is from home. Not Barbara. She's self-sufficient, bro.
And so, because she's self-sufficient and is from a rich home, meaning that she should disobey me when I ask her to do something.
Guy, that is not what I'm trying to say. What I'm trying to say is, you see, that's your mentality, that's your mindset of controlling Barbara. You should kill it. Like, cut it off.
Listen, I will feed it and I will grow it and it will be alive. She will submit to me whether she likes it or not.
Oh,
Mom, you don't seem to understand me. Liam is the kind of man that wants every woman under his control. But he is your fiancé. Even at that, Mom, was that how Dad treated you before you two got married? Was that? You cannot compare your father with him. They are two different people. And that's more reason he has to accord me some respect, Mom. Respect is reciprocal. He doesn't disrespect me and expect me to be loyal to him. It's not possible. Don't you love him? Barbara, are you there? Yes, Mom. Of course I love him. Then forget his character and build this relationship with him. The both family have a strong business deal which we cannot afford to lose. Okay? It's okay, Mom. I've heard you. I will do my best. That's my baby girl talking. You take good care of yourself. I love you. I love you too, Mom. Bye.
Hey guy, have you spoken to Barbara?
No, I haven't. I mean, she can call me or come and see me whenever she's ready to. I mean, if I'm important, she will.
Yeah, I've told you countless times, you should mind the way you flaunt this your uncouth and obnoxious attitude of yours. Especially when it comes to women.
So you're trying to say I have an uncouth attitude towards women? Is that what you're saying?
Of course you heard me. Especially towards your fiancée, Barbara.
Well, good thing you said she's my fiancée. That's the most reason why she should be loyal.
Coming from a guy who's not loyal.
Are you trying to say I'm not loyal?
I see. If you're loyal to Barbara, she's going to be loyal to you.
But I'm the man.
See,
I called the shot.
There is no gender discrimination when it comes to loyalty and pride. Guy, like you guys just have to be humble to each other. It's give and take, bro.
You know what? I really think you shouldn't be interfering in my relationship, okay? It's fine.
Wait, because if I'm telling you the truth now, I should not interfere.
You know what? I'm done having this conversation. Whenever you're ready, you can see yourself.
Wait, it's because I'm telling you the truth.
Have a nice day, fam.
Liam, you're walking out of me.
What will I do now? I don't have any money on me. I can't even feed myself. People have refused to loan me money. Where do I run to? Who do I go to? What am I going to do now? I'm so broke. I can't even... God, please help me. What kind of lifestyle is this now?
He hasn't called me since he left my house. God, is this the man I will spend the rest of my life with? A man who finds it difficult to accept that he is wrong. The worst of it is that I love him so much. And I feel like I can't live without him. You never bothered to call or visit since the last time you came.
Well, it doesn't matter who calls or who visits who. We're arguing.
Babe, I'm sorry for the last time, okay? I mean, we shouldn't have had such an argument when we could have sorted it out.
You're the problem. You see, you told me that if not for our family business, you would have broken up with me.
At least I apologized. Unlike someone who finds it difficult to say sorry when he is wrong. Lem, you sent me on an errand, and I gave you a reason I could not attend to it. Should it have been a problem?
Yes. Yes. If you listen to everything I tell you and follow my instruction to the letter, you and I wouldn't have all this issue. You'd enjoy me.
Like I said, I'm sorry, okay? I'm so sorry. You know I love you, right?
Oh, I love you too. Come here. You smell good.
Thank you. I will smell good too.
Not as good as you. You're giving today.
I miss you.
Hello, Tana. Please, keep your pleasantries to yourself. What happened to the documents I asked you to send to me? You what? Hey. When I ask you to do something, you don't do it at your own time. You do it exactly when I ask you to do it. You think I'm going to bow to you because you're the what? General Overseeing Manager? Eish, I'm a man. When a man talks, you learn to listen. You hear me? And not only am I a man, I'm your boss. Listen, I don't want to hear one more word coming out of your mouth, okay? If I don't get that document right now on my system within the next 20 minutes, I will report you to the board of directors. You understand me? There's one problem with women. They work in organizations and they just mess everything up. Can't even give them an information and then they act upon it. Always want to do it at their time.
My guy, how are you doing now?
I'm good.
I heard you shouting outside. Who were you yelling at?
I wasn't really yelling at anyone. I was just being frustrated.
What happened?
You know the lady that handles the general overseeing?
Oh, who's that? Okay. Lady Tana.
Look, her name is not Lady Tana. Alright? Her name is Tana without the lady.
Okay.
You hear me?
Okay. So what happened?
So I asked her specifically, process a certain document, send it to me because I need to send the file. Boom. I need it. I can find it. Guess what she tells me? Oh, we're still processing it. We're not done. Give us some more time. Why?
So what if she's saying the truth? Probably they are still processing it.
It is a lie from the pit of hell. You see, these are what women do when they work in organizations. They always want to do things when they want to do it. And I wouldn't have it. Alright?
See, guy, everybody must know accord to your orders. Do you understand? Probably she was busy at that time and you don't expect her to like please you and displease herself. Don't you get? Like, you have to cut off that mentality, bro.
Bro, everyone must accord to my instructions. Okay? As long as I am boss here, right? They will do as I say and they will not do it at their own time because here, as long as I remain boss, I am God, I am Jesus Christ, I am Muhammad. You hear me?
See, guy, I beg, no forget that one. How far that stuff will you?
Which one is more forget that one? I wouldn't knew you were going to support her anyway.
How far the thing? I tell you, see me, you run and you do them.
Alright, fine, let me do it.
That's what I'm talking about.
So, how is it? Delicious, right?
It's kind of good.
It's kind of good.
Yeah.
I don't understand.
I mean, like it's okay, right? It's not bad, but it's not that delicious. It's just
Excuse me?
what? Wait, you expect me to lie to you? I got.
Then will you ever appreciate someone's effort outside yours?
And would you ever appreciate the truth? I already told you it's not that bad. It's not bad. Like it's that kind of food you eat so you will not die. You know, you feel your stomach. It's not like you're Hilda Basi or anything. It's just food. It's not that deep, I beg. Barbara, where do you think you're going to?
What is it?
Which one is what is it? I'm talking to you and you're walking out on me.
I eat, or rather throw it away because it is not that good.
Don't you dare walk. Barbara!
I understand what you're trying to say, but that's Liam for you. You should be used to his character by now. So sometimes you just ignore his bad side.
Kenny, I don't even cook in my house. I mean, I have helps that do all that. Yet I come here to cook for Liam, and he doesn't appreciate it.
You should be used to his lifestyle by now. You know Liam now.
Kelly, let's call a spade, okay? Kenny, I am trying. Eh? Should I kill myself for him? You should have seen the way he condemned my food, like I am one horrible cook.
Oh, is it about the food? I tasted the food. The food is not that bad. It's good.
Oh.
Well, that does not mean you should stop cooking for your boyfriend. After all, don't you love him? You love him.
I do.
So,
I love him
if
so
you
much.
love him the way you say, let's go of his bad character and keep on loving him. Shikna?
Barbara. Hey, I'm talking to you. Why have you not been taking my calls?
That is because I've been busy with work.
When you say busy, I don't understand. You know I make enough money to take care of the both of us, right?
Are you here to tell me how you can take care of me? Or you are here to know how I am doing?
You know I don't like it when you speak to me like that.
You're the one making this relationship so difficult for both of us. You know that.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Hey. brought you something. Can I put it on you?
Wow.
It looks good on you.
Beautiful, thank you. I love it.
And I love you.
I love it too.
That's fine. Samantha Jacobs, 27 years of age. Qualification OND. Petty trader. Buying and selling. I see. I've gone through your application for our loan program, but unfortunately you do not qualify.
Oh, sir, please, I really need this job. I'm owing a lot of people and I need to pay up the debts. Please, can you help me?
I understand, but in this situation, I would say my hands are tied. There's nothing I can do to help you. Next!
Sir, please, I don't mind. I don't mind. In any job you give to me, I will do it. Even you can hire me as your chef or your anything. I don't mind, sir. Please,
Woman, you realize that this is a corporate organization. We run things by the books.
Please, can I get a loan from your company? I will pay back, please. I really need this money, please. So people are after my life, please, sir.
You're in that much debt? You owe that much?
Yes.
Okay. You're a very beautiful woman.
Thank you, sir.
And you see, I often say we live in a world full of opportunities, and only the ones who are smart would actually take it, right? Okay, I can turn a blind eye to all of this. But we are not going to loan you money. I will employ you to work here with us.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. I appreciate this, sir.
And like I said, you are a very beautiful woman. Give me a hand.
Touch you.
Yeah. So basically what I'm trying to say is I like you. You will work for me. You will satisfy me. You would scratch my back. And I will scratch yours.
You will scratch my back if I scratch yours?
Yes.
How do you want me to scratch your back, sir? I know how to scratch back very well.
I like you. I like you.
So when am I resuming work, sir?
Tomorrow.
As a managing director?
Why not just start as my personal assistant?
Okay, that's fine, but I will start tomorrow, sir. Yes, yes, sir. Thank you so much. I will not disappoint you, sir.
Alright, I have your contact on your file. I will read it and send you a text. Everything you need to know about the job.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Why is he not picking my calls? Liam, this your arrogant attitude is getting out of hand. And it's high time I put you in your place.
Kelly!
How far am I going now?
I'm good. How long have you been here?
Oh, it's not even up to now.
This is my friend, Kelly. That's my personal assistant, Samantha.
Hi, Samantha.
You can drop the bag and you can retire for the day.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Alright.
Good night.
Good night. See you at work.
Okay. For how long now? Is ready?
Oh, huh? Oh, Samantha, she just started working with me.
It's fine. I might continue to do what
I mean, she was almost, being mobbed, beaten, or killed, Seth, by some people she was owing money. So I just decided to help her and give her a job.
Did I ask you anything?
I mean, you're not asking anything, but you have this judgmental look on your face. I know you.
Liam, I'll be my watch movie. I don't tire.
You sure?
I say I don't tire. Let me watch movie.
Uh-huh. Alright, cool. Have you had anything to drink? Has the cook served you?
Yeah, I won't got one key. I'll be kidding. I'm so hungry.
I'm gonna check with the cook.
I'll check. I do my own job, so it's
Wow. So this is my place.
You like it?
I love it. So I'll be the one staying here.
Of course, it's you.
Thank you.
You see, this is how players play to win. You keep being a good girl, Samantha. You're going to get more.
Okay.
Okay.
Can't wait to move in.
It's all yours.
Thank you.
So you mean this guy rented this place just for you?
Yes. And he employed me to be his personal assistant.
You don't mean it.
I mean, everything I'm saying.
Wow! Babe, come on! You
Mukayamata for this guy. Which Mukayamata? Beg, just hold it there. Okay, so then as my place is actually far to his office. So he decided to get me an apartment that's close by.
Well, I think the guy is nice.
Yes, it is.
Or is there something you're not telling me? Like, is something involved?
Something like what?
Baby, you know now.
I don't know.
Tell me what's involved.
There's nothing involved. What are you talking about? What?
So just like that.
He's just being a perfect gentleman, a nice boss. Yes.
Anyway, whatever it is, I'm sure enjoying this house with you.
Which house?
This house.
Atiko must have been.
Please come and show me my room.
Which room? Did you bring any room to this place?
Our room now, it's not our house. I'm spending the night.
You and who?
Me and you.
I beg carry your property and leave. You haven't drinking my juice.
But for real, this place is nice.
Thank you. And you're welcome to stay any day, anytime.
I know.
Come in, the door's open. Why are you so in a hurry?
I have to go back.
Whatever it is you want to do can wait. Come here. Hey,
Sir, wait.
I want you now.
Oh, we're in your office.
This is my office. I can do whatever I want. Come here.
Sir.
Hey, do you want your job?
Yes.
I said, do you want your job? Good, cooperate. Come here. Sweet girl.
Sir, you...
Hey.
Kelly, honestly, I don't understand what is going on. Liam has not been picking or returning my calls for the past 3 days.
See, Barbara, you just have to calm down, you understand? Probably Liam is busy with work.
Busy with work? I thought you two work in the same company.
Okay, you know what, Barbara? I will help you talk to Liam just to find out why he's acting strange, you understand? I'll talk to him for you. Don't worry.
Please, I will appreciate it if you do, okay?
Don't worry, I'll do it.
It's alright.
Alright, no problem. I'll get back to you as soon as I can, okay? Yes, thank you very much. Bye. Thank you.
Liam, I am so disappointed at you. Like, bro, is it because of the girl you just met yesterday and you employed her? So that's the reason why you've been ignoring Barbara's call?
Yes, it is because of the girl I just employed. You see, it's Barbara's fault. Barbara doesn't listen. Barbara doesn't take instruction. Barbara doesn't pay attention to me. Samantha, on the other hand, does.
Okay, I can see where this is coming from. I guess it's all about loyalty.
Yes, it's always been about loyalty, my friend. Always.
Okay, my dear friend. I want you to answer my question.
Go ahead.
With all sincerity. Are you loyal? No answer. Are you loyal? Are you loyal? I guess I'll have to leave the boat off.
Yeah. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, sure.
You've not been picking my calls. Why?
Yeah. I've had a lot on my decks and I've been busy, that's why, yeah.
You're busy for a woman you love? Liam, if you're tired of this relationship, why don't you open up so we can inform our parents?
Barbara, enough. Okay, everything you want to inform our parents, you want to inform our parents. And we adults, we can handle our business. Okay, the deal we're trying to seal, all here, that's the first thing you should ask me about. How's work? Rather than just standing there and ranting. Come on.
So I am ranting?
Yes, you are. You know, I apologize. I'm sorry, okay? Sorry for not calling you. Sorry that I haven't paid you a visit. Come here, come here. Hey, I'm sorry. I apologize. Is that why you're carrying your face like that?
What do you want me to say now? Eh? You know you keep doing this.
Okay, I promise I'm not going to do it again. Alright? Smile for me. You know what? Let me take you out. Let's just leave all of this. Come, let's go.
I don't want to have a cheat. But I'm not in the mood, actually.
I'm in the mood. Okay, you don't have to be in the mood, alright? You're supposed to please me, okay? What is wrong with you?
Please just sit down, let's chat.
You know, I want you, but I want you right now. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Why are you resisting?
Because I'm not in the mood now.
You be in the mood, okay? I'll put you in the mood.
Can we just let this talk?
You're so incompetent. Your incompetency stinks from a mile away. Jesus Christ! You know, I should have considered your social status before employing you to be my personal assistant.
I'm sorry, sir. It was a mistake.
Of course, you should be sorry. But listen to me, don't be sorry around me, be mindful. Come on, it's just a file. How don't you know how to handle a file now? You just go and dent it.
It won't happen again, sir.
Of course it won't happen again. Get out of my office.
What kind of a man is this? After making love to me last night, even in the office this morning, he still yell at me for a common mistake I made. Very proud and human-at. Anyways, everything ends here. Aside this job, I have no business with him again.
And what are you still doing here? Come on, get out.
Yeah, offer. You want this your workers every time. You think happen this time?
Is it not that stupid PA of mine? Come on to handle a file, so just go ruin it.
Oh, is that why you're shouting? Is she your side chick?
Really, bro? What's wrong with you?
Am I lying? Am I not saying the truth?
Look, did you come to my office to antagonize me?
I forget that one, I beg. This thing I already tell you.
Yes, so I was looking into that company you talked to me about.
Come on, babe. I can't wait to see you here. Of course, I'm in your house. Yes, baby. Sweetheart. Your baby is here waiting for her Prince Charming. Babe, please come back soon, okay? I made your favorite. You know I can't stay long without seeing you. Of course, babe. Okay, I got you. I'm waiting. Okay, love. I miss you. I love you. Yes, I love you. I love you more. I love you more. Okay. Bye.
So it was one of those days where I was really tired from the office. And just as I had packed everything and I was ready to go, everything fell down again. I was pissed. Sorry.
Okay.
Babe, I have to meet up with the client by 9 p.m.
9 p.m.
Yes, yes.
But babe, it's already late.
I know, but it's really important that I meet him. He's leaving the country tomorrow.
But you know it's risky out there.
I know. If I can't make it, I'll just stay in the hotel. Okay? Don't worry, I'll be right back. I love you. Alright.
Why do you come here every night?
I must see your beautiful face every night. I must make love to you every night.
Do you have to make love to me every night and every day?
Do you want to continue to keep your job? I mean, it's fine if you don't want to.
I do.
Good girl. So you will please me. You hear me? It smells so good. Listen, hey. When I kiss you, you moan. You hear me? What's up? That's fake. More like you having pleasure. Time after time, I want to be running away.
You didn't come back last night. Rather, you came here after meeting your clients.
Yes, I have a presentation today with the board of directors, so I came here to do some research.
Then you're acting weird these days, which I don't seem to understand.
I just told you I have a presentation with the board, so I came to get ready. That's exactly what I'm doing.
No man is so busy for a woman he loves. You know that?
Well, you know I've always been there for you, haven't I?
Babe, you know I love you, right?
You know I love you right back.
And I can't comfortably stay for
Without
a while
me?
without you. Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Can I make it up to you tonight?
How?
Dinner.
I don't know, anytime.
Let's have dinner tonight.
Liam has changed. This is unlike him. Each time we are together, he brings this excuse of going to see a client. Wait a minute. Is he actually cheating on me? No. It's not possible. But if eventually my suspicion is right, that girl won't like me at all. She won't. And for Liam, he will definitely see the other side of Barbara. Mark my words.
Yes, hello, Mr. Adamu. Yes, I'm on my way. Huh? Mr. Adamu, yes. I have to call you back.
Did I Why, sir?
Yes, I would have to skip dinner. I have to meet up with the client.
Baby, you should have told me now.
Oh, of course. I thought I was going to make it, but Mr. Adamu called. He said I have to come.
I prepared the food for you.
But my client is leaving tomorrow. And this is a lot.
It's okay.
He's even calling me right now.
Okay.
Yes, hello, Mr. Adam. I'm on my way.
You can go.
Hope you're not angry, eh?
No, not at all.
Okay, no problem. Hello, Mr. Adam. How much? 5 million?
Just be safe, okay?
Okay, sure. 20 million.
I love you.
Okay.
Yeah. So you think you can deceive me? No problem. I'm sure my man rented this apartment for you. So keep quiet while I'm talking.
I don't understand. You just barged into my house and you're talking about your man. Sorry, who is your man?
Please, I am not here to banter words with you, but to warn you to stay away from Liam, my fiancé.
Oh. Liam is your fiancé. So, why are you warning me to stay away from him? You should go over to his place and warn him to leave me alone.
Like I said earlier, I am not here to banter words with you. So if you want to know the demon you're dealing with, go close to Liam again.
Are you for real right now? See, please, I don't know you from Adams. If you have a problem with your fiancé, please just go and meet him and stay away from me. What is it now? Can you please just leave my house? I don't know you. I didn't invite you, so leave my house.
Are you talking to me like that?
Yes, I'm talking to you like that. Don't even dare. Try it.
I can see you're fearless. Relax. We shall see.
We will see nothing. Well, if you were good enough, Liam won't be coming over to me. So please, shush, go. Okay? Leave.
It's okay. I'll go.
Yes.
But like I said,
we will see nothing. You cannot do anything and don't ever come to my house again. Nonsense. I don't even understand women. Instead of you to go and meet your man and tell him to stay away from me, you are coming to meet me. Nonsense.
so this girl thinks she can come from nowhere and take my man? I will teach her a lesson she will never forget in a hurry. I will.
You mean Liam's fiancé was here to warn you to stay away from him? Yes. Well, now that you're aware he has a fiancé, I would advise you leave this relationship. And what about my job? So I should just quit like that? Yes. If possible, yes. Your life is at risk. But seriously, that girl is crazy. Wanting me to stay away from my man. How am I supposed to know he has a girlfriend? She's supposed to go and meet him and tell him to stay away from me. At least he's the one cheating, not me. But you should know. How? How do you expect a cute young man like that, handsome and rich, to be without a girlfriend? It's not possible now. Well, I didn't know. You didn't tell me. But she's not supposed to warn me. She's supposed to go and meet a man. She's supposed to tell him to let me be. But some girls, they try. As in, I don't understand. How? Your boyfriend is having an affair with somebody else and you think that the girl is the person you're supposed to go and meet. No, you're supposed to go and meet the man, not the girl. But if that girl has the mind to warn you, she can do anything. She can do anything. Better stay away from that guy. I'm not holding him now. You should stay away from me. Okay, I've said my own.
I don't make empty threats, but you thought I was joking, right?
Please just let me go.
You don't just say it, because if you fail to do so, consider yourself dead.
Okay, I promise you I will stay away from him. I will not have anything to do with him again. Please just let me go, I beg you.
Of course you do. Now listen and listen carefully. If you ever mention this to my man, you will be dead.
Absolutely.
Have I made myself clear?
Yes, ma! Yes.
I love that. Say it again.
Yes, ma!
Good girl.
This is the reason I asked you to stay away from this guy. But you wouldn't listen. Now see what she has done to you. And how is it my fault that Liam is cheating on her with me? Now that you know, why can't you let him go? Let him be. By the way, what is he doing about this? I did not tell him. She threatened to kill me if I mentioned anything to him. Me, I don't want to die. This is serious. Babe, you need to stay away from this guy. You need to avoid him. Sorry. Okay. I'll buy you medicine later. Instead of you to go and fight, I tell me by minutes. Me? They did this to you. Me, they will kill me. Why not take your call? I beg you should not call me. Stop calling me.
Yeah, I was just about to go see a friend of mine. Yeah.
So, which of your friends are psychic?
You don't know this friend. This friend is actually a friend from childhood. Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Well, babe, you should have introduced me to him now.
Yeah.
But don't worry, your baby's here now. At least you should spend some time with me, okay?
Huh?
Okay.
I really have to.
No, forget about that. Okay? Already. Let's sit now.
Yeah, sure.
Let's spend some time together. Okay?
What am I going to tell him? What do I do? No, I have to tell him He doesn't want the child.
So yeah, you said you wanted to see me.
Yes, there's something I want to talk to you about.
Okay, alright. But hear me out first. There's something I also want to discuss with you first.
Can I go first?
No. I go first. Don't you ever interrupt me when I'm trying to speak. So yeah, like I said, I wanted to talk to you about this. Here is a check of 7 million naira. So from now on, you and I, we just work as boss and subordinate. Okay? Whatever sexual relationship we had going on is officially done. Okay? You just work for me right now.
Excuse me?
Here, go ahead, take it. Take it! Good.
You're so pathetic. So you're just gonna use and dump me?
Well, use you, yes. Dump you, no. That's exactly why I'm paying you off. I mean, paying you for leaving that useless life of yours behind. I mean, where else are you going to get this kind of money from? Even if you were sleeping with people on the streets. I mean, you'd have to suck dicks for like the rest of your life.
To hell with you and your tech. I promise you will never, ever find anyone like me.
Why do poor people always feel like they have an opinion? Bye, Felicia.
Come on, Samantha. You shouldn't have rejected that money. 7 million naira is not a small money.
Why would I reject it? After he used me, got me pregnant, and just broke up with me, just like that.
You were pregnant for him.
Yes. And that was exactly what I wanted to tell him before he served me breakfast. Broke up with me.
Does that mean you won't tell him?
Tell someone that doesn't care about me? I'm not going to tell him. I'll just keep the pregnancy away from him. I won't tell him at all.
You've not been to the office for the past 3 days. What's going on?
I told you I quit already.
Come on. Stop acting childish. Get back to work.
What am I coming there to do? I already told you I quit. I resigned already. I resigned from working for you, please.
Now you're beginning to act childish. Don't blame me when I act.
What else do you want to do? What else have I not seen you do? Please, can you just stop calling me? I said I quit.
Listen to me, you cannot go. Did she just end?
What do I do now? I'm beginning to love him. How am I going to express my feelings to him? And now I'm carrying his child. Yes? What is it? Why are you disturbing me? Why can't you just leave me alone? I told you to stop calling me. What do you want?
Samantha, can you come get me? I'm at lounge 81 and I am drunk.
Oh, you think it's like before that you just push me around and order me around like you want? Listen to me, Mr. Man. You will not dominate or dictate for me any longer. Just stop calling me. I don't want to work for you anymore. Stop calling me. Period.
Please. Hello? Hello? Samantha, we don't have to be intimate to work together. Don't.
And what are you doing here?
Come back to the office.
No, I won't.
Give me one good reason why.
Because I hate the fact that you control me like a child. You're very rude.
But I'm your boss. You should accord me more respect.
Well, respect is reciprocal, they say.
You will come back to the office.
No, I won't. Please leave my house.
You're aware you're still in this house. Because I paid for it.
You don't need to remind me that.
See you in the office.
Thank you for coming, Kelly.
Nah, it's not something. You're welcome.
Kelly, Liam, your friend, is cheating on me.
Liam, cheating.
You're not aware?
No, I'm just hearing this for the first time.
Anyway, I found out myself. But please don't discuss this with him, okay? I will handle it myself.
But how could you do such a thing? Knowing fully well that you both parents want the both of you to be a couple.
The painful part of it is that I still love him, despite his arrogant and uncouth behavior. I tolerate him because I want to make my family happy and also be with him.
I understand you.
And he has the guts to cheat on me.
See, Barbara, you have to calm down. I'm really sorry on his behalf, seriously. I wanted to talk to Liam for you, but you said I should not.
No, it's okay. Just let him be, okay?
I'm really sorry.
It's okay. I just wanted to let you know what is happening.
This is your neighbors, they can't stove.
Oh, don't mind them. You know children of nowadays.
I get
They're always playful.
I understand. Don't worry, I'll talk to Liam for you. Don't worry.
Kelly, I mean, you shouldn't talk to him about it, okay?
Oh, true, I forgot.
Please don't.
Mom? What is wrong with Mom? Oh my goodness. Have you taken her to the hospital? Okay, you know what? Just start going to the hospital. I'll send you some money, okay? Don't waste time. Just start going. Oh my goodness. I don't even have any money on me. How do I send money to her? Samantha. You messed up big time. I should have just collected the check. Oh God. What do I do now?
I got your message. Welcome back, runaway PA.
I'm here to work as your PA. Nothing else. No intimacy, no nothing.
Of course. You see, Miss Samantha, I love the ethics of the job. Sure.
I'm here for the file you asked me to.
Yes. So take this. Go through it. Check the documents we submitted to Mr. Jamal for approval. And then go through it, check if there are any loopholes in the plan. And of course, let me know. Hear me? And then these are the cases we handled at the time when you were away. So, we could go through them as well before we submit them to the director's board.
Okay, sir.
And please, Samantha, I trust you and I hope you do a thorough job.
I'm not incompetent, sir.
I never said you were.
You said so before. And go back. Where do you think you're going to? What are you doing here?
I found out you resumed work.
I resumed work, and so what? I'm not with your man. I don't have anything to do with him, so...
And you want me to believe you?
You can believe whatever it is you want to believe. It's none of my business. So please, just leave.
Did you just speak to me so soon?
I'm not even shouting. So please go. I don't want trouble, please. Else I'll call the police for trespassing.
I can see you're very bored. It's okay.
So we have a meeting to attend by 12. Okay? And make sure you don't come late. It's very important. Please keep the time. Hear me?
I always keep to time. What time?
By 12. And I know you always come early, but tomorrow you might decide to come late. That is why I am warning you. Okay? This is a big money deal. We do not want to miss it.
Okay, sir. Can I go now?
No, stand. Get out of my office!
Oh, Mr. Lee, I'm sorry. I have a little bit of traffic on the road. Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you again. How are you doing?
Excellent. Oh, so...
This is Samantha. Samantha, this is Teddy, the investor.
Hi. Samantha!
Teddy!
My God!
How are you?
Long time no see!
Long time. Come here. How you doing?
God, you look so beautiful!
Thank you.
You guys, you know each other?
Yes! Samantha here is my best childhood memory.
Aww.
God!
Love it.
This is so...
And that's good. Yeah, so shall we proceed to business?
Yes!
Yeah.
Yes! So, you know, switch you.
Of course, yes. So, we could meet up tomorrow.
Great,
Sort out the
perfect.
final details.
Perfect.
You come with your team, I come with my team.
Great.
Good. That's very good.
If you don't mind, Samantha, what are you doing later this evening so we can, catch up? It's been like forever.
She can't come out. She'll be working for me.
Okay, that's fine. Maybe some other time,
But
but
she's a very busy person.
but we need to meet up. Come on. You are so beautiful.
All right. I have to go.
Yes,
Samantha,
sure.
hurry up. I'll just leave you to meet me up. Let's go. All right.
Nice to meet you. Samantha. Yes, boy. Come in.
And what was that supposed to mean? What was that thing you did out there? What do you mean by I cannot hang out with an investor?
You want to hang out with somebody you barely know?
And who says I don't know him? He has been my childhood friend. It's been long I saw him.
He has been your childhood friend, so you want to be friends with him again?
And what is wrong with that? Huh?
Everything is wrong with it. Listen, you work for me, okay? So you would adhere to my instruction. You would do what I ask you to do.
Newsflash, I am not doing anything. And mind you, I got his contact and we're hanging out. Deal with that.
Samantha.
Don't Samantha.
Samantha! You dare walk out on me?
Samantha. God! It's so nice to see you.
Yeah, same here.
You've grown into this beautiful lady.
Thank you.
Did you know that during the meeting, you were all I could think about? Honestly. So why didn't your boss want us to meet up and stuff?
I don't know. Maybe he's just trying to be professional and all. So enough about my boss. Let's not talk about him. Let's talk about us because it's been a while.
It has, indeed.
How have you been?
I've been good.
Yeah, good to see you. You look nice.
Thank you. So tell me, forgive me if I'm being a little bit too curious. How come you are a PA? What happened? You didn't study law anymore?
I lost my dad 15 years ago after you guys moved out from our area. So it really affected us financially and yeah, so kind of struggling and all that.
I'm so sorry about that.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
Look at you.
It's good to see you.
Thank you.
You know you look good.
I try. So,
And no other woman has my heart. Yeah.
I'm surprised to hear that.
Oh, don't be surprised because the big surprise is coming.
Wow.
Yeah.
What's the surprise?
Why don't you close your eyes?
I should close my eyes.
Yes.
Okay.
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 Keep them closed.
My eyes are closed.
All right. Oh, move back a little bit.
Okay.
Give me your hands. Would you marry me?
Wow. You baby, I'll marry you. Thank you. I'm so happy. I love this.
Love it.
I'm so happy with you.
Come.
So what now?
We'll go celebrate.
Sure.
Let's go. Let me help you with this.
I can't.
Let's go. Hello? Yeah. So you see the picture of the lady I sent to you? So what I want you to do is monitor her every movement. Everywhere she goes, everyone she visits, everyone she talks to, everyone who visits her. Let me know. You do a good job and you'll be well rewarded. I just made you an initial deposit. You get the rest when the job is done. Good. Yeah, hello? Yeah. So they're at the hotel. Did you confirm the description of the guy? Oh, yes. Good, very good. Alright, just keep an eye on them to make sure they don't leave there, okay? Alright, thanks. Bye. Yeah, hello, babe. I'm coming to pick you up. Get dressed.
How can I change what I feel inside? What can I do to get this love to be mine? To be mine. Get this love to be mine. Get this love to be mine. How can I change what I feel inside? What can I do to get this love to be mine? Get this love to be mine. Get this love to be mine. I thought I knew what I was doing. Yeah.
Hi, Teddy.
Hi, Liam. I see you came to have a beautiful time with your woman.
So you're having a good time here with Samantha as well?
Oh, Samantha? She's a sweet soul. And I'm enjoying every bit of it. Every bit.
Come back to me, baby, I need you. I'm sorry, baby.
Are you having an issue with you?
Baby, I'm sorry. 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 Oh, baby, more. Baby, come back.
As long as you work for me, you're not permitted to date Teddy. You understand?
And who are you to decide that for me?
All right. I'm your boss. And you are my subordinate. And more importantly, you are my woman.
I am not your woman. You have a fiancé. Go and meet her and let me be.
What are you talking about?
You think I'm not going to find out, huh? Well, she posted a picture of both of you on social media. And you know, social media is the perfect place to get any information you want.
Your business is to satisfy me. Mind it.
And it is none of
of your business who I am with. Mind it. Okay? It's my personal life, so let me be.
I said no, Teddy.
Finally, I have my man back. That's good for nothing. PA cannot go to hell. Very soon, I will be addressed as Mrs. Barbara Liam Johnson.
How can I change what I feel inside? What can I do to get this love to be mine?
Wait a minute. Why did Liam act that way yesterday? He was jealous that I hung out with Teddy. Also warned me not to date him. Is he in love with me or what? God. I'm in love with him and I'm also carrying his child. How do I tell him about this since all we do is argue these days?
I cannot let this love pass me by. The whole of me yearns for you, baby. The whole of me yearns for you, baby. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Come back.
What is happening to me? Why am I feeling this way? I'm falling in love with Samantha. Is this why I've been thinking about her all day? And now that I've realized that I'm in love with her, Teddy is in the picture. No, I won't allow this to happen. Teddy cannot have my Samantha.
I'm sorry. Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, baby, more. I'm sorry. Oh, baby.
Off guy.
Hey, what's up?
You're still awake?
Yeah, I can't sleep. I have so much on my mind, yeah.
Are you sure you're okay?
Yeah, sure. I'm perfect.
You sure?
Yeah.
Anyways, I came to take water.
Okay.
Sure you're okay?
Yeah.
Anyways, I'm going to sleep.
Yeah, see. Good night, yeah.
What are you doing? So you're now jobless, you're sitting in front of my house.
Look, I came to warn you to stay away from Samantha. You hear me?
You know, this is actually very funny, coming from a man that just proposed to his fiancée.
Well, that's none of your business. Look, I see you near Samantha one more time. I won't hurt you.
What will happen? Tell me.
You want to find out?
If you actually love this girl, why don't you just open your mouth and say it, other than following me around like a lost puppy?
I know where you live.
Yeah, of course you know where I live. And the next time I see you here, you're gonna be walking home on short limbs. I promise you that. Rubbish.
Why would he confront you and ask you to stay away from me?
I'm surprised as well.
Well, it's not like we're dating or anything.
There is a possibility that he does love you.
Love me.
Yeah, why are you surprised? It's possible.
Well, that's his business.
Love me. Ignore him, even if his love is real. I don't care. Because I love you. And I want to do life with you.
You're so sweet.
You are sweet.
Don't tell me you're still thinking about your dream.
I mean, who wouldn't be, okay? I was shot to death by 2 assassins. It was so real.
Don't worry, it's just a dream, okay? It won't come to pass.
I hope Liam is not planning such for me.
Oh no, why would he want to go to such extents just to get me?
People know he's obsessed about you. You know, there's a possibility that could happen. And you know, dreams are a reflection of our reality. You know that, right?
I know, but this one will not come true in Jesus' name.
Amen. So forgive me. Amen. Thank you so much, my love.
Hold up. Your love?
Yes. Are you surprised? No, seriously, are you? No, wait. All of our childhood memories, all of the stuff we used to do together, and all of that. See, do you know that I used to pray that all of those things would last for eternity?
It's the lover boy. You still have your ways with sweet words and all. You know, I remember those days when you'd be like, Summer, I brought you food. Summer, do you need anything? Summer, are you okay?
Oh, you remember too.
Of course I do.
Well, nice to meet you again.
I don't get that. My eyes are closed.
Just keep it closed.
Okay.
Don't peep.
I don't know.
Gently, take it easy. Okay. Okay, watch your step. Watch your step. Okay. Yeah. Keep calming. Alright, almost there. Now turn around. Just a little bit. Good. Good. So. Keep your eyes closed.
My eyes are closed. Try.
Open your eyes. Marry me, Samantha. Yes. I love you so much. You're the chick of my dreams. And any man will be lucky to have you. So please, marry me. Please say yes.
I'm sorry, T. I can't marry you. I'm so sorry.
Samantha.
Samantha!
How can I change what I feel inside? What can I do to get this love to be mine? To be mine. Get this love to be mine. Get this love to be mine. How can I change what I feel inside? What can I do to get this love to be mine? Get this love to be mine. Get this love to be mine. I thought I knew what I was doing, yeah. I cannot let this love pass me by. The whole of me yearns for you, baby. The whole of me yearns for you, baby. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Come back to me, baby. I need you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, baby.
Baby, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Baby, I'm sorry. Baby, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Baby, I'm sorry.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm okay.
Nice.
You know I love you, Samantha.
Yes, I know.
I love you with every fiber of my being. And I can't have another man take you. I really can't.
Okay.
Marry me. Make me the happiest man. And I'll spend the rest of my life making you the happiest woman every day.
I'm pregnant. Fully am.
Wow. I don't care. I really don't care. The only thing that matters to me is that I love you, Samantha, with every fiber of my being, and I do not want another man to have you. So yes, I'll father this child, like my own child. Please, just say yes to me. That's all that matters to me.
Are you for real? Are you sure?
Samantha, I've never been so sure about anything in my life like I am right now. All I need you to say to me is yes, you will marry me, and that is all I need. Please, say you will marry me.
Yes. Yes, I will marry you. This is so cute. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh my God.
Thank you.
I love it. Yeah.
What is this?
I resign. I quit.
Why is that?
Because I'm no longer interested in working for you. Teddy proposed to me.
You are what? That is never going to happen.
And why won't that happen?
Because you are mine. I own you.
Well, you have your fiancé. So why shouldn't I get married? Why?
Listen to me, Samantha. This is the most serious you have seen me. Over my dead body, will Teddy get married to you?
I don't get it. I've moved on. You ended things with me. So what do you want? You said you had no feelings or whatsoever. So what do you want me to do?
And to you, that will never happen. You hear me? That will not happen.
Try me. This wedding is going to happen whether you like it or not. And you can go back to meet that your girlfriend or whatever it is her name is.
My guy.
Hey. What's up, man? How you doing?
What's happened?
Huh?
Are you sure you're okay?
Yeah. Fine.
Are you sure you've not collected breakfast?
No. I'm kind of like having allergies.
You're thinking of Samantha?
Never.
Guy, I have some good news for you. Check. You know that app that we talked about? I've gotten some ideas on how the app can work in some countries. Guys, check it.
Yeah. It's amazing.
Bro, yeah. Sure, so you do.
Yes. It's amazing.
You're sure you're okay?
Yeah, fine. Yeah. So you can work in Ghana, Mauritius,
Yeah.
Sierra Leone.
Oh my God. What happened to you? Let me get Tyson. 1 minute. I'm so sorry. You'll be fine.
I'm sorry. I know how hurting you are for losing your own child. But God knows the best. Don't forget, Liam, who is the father of this child, doesn't even want him or her. So please, stop crying. Everything will be alright.
What are you doing here? Who invited you here?
I told him.
Why?
I'm sorry.
Just leave my house.
Samantha, why didn't you tell me you were pregnant?
So tell me, how many kids would you like to have?
What?
How many?
And look, I don't want any kids. Alright?
Yes.
I hope you're not planning to get pregnant for me because I will not accept it.
Oh, no, I'm not planning to at all.
You sure? Well, you better not.
Don't worry, I don't want kids myself.
You warned me. I was carrying a child.
You should have told me.
What's the point? What difference does it make?
A big difference. A lot of difference. Look, I made a mistake. I apologize. I need you. I need you in my life. I need you back at the office. I beg you, please. Please.
I want you to leave my house now.
I'm trying to make you know that I made a mistake.
Just leave! Just go!
Please, just leave for now, please. Just go.
Alright.
I'm sorry. I wanted him to say I love you. Samantha, I love you, but he didn't say it. I just wanted him to say I love you, Samantha. I want you back in my life. I didn't say it.
It's okay, it's okay. Just let him be. Forget about him. You'll be fine. It's okay. Everything will be alright.
Babe.
Yeah.
Look into my eyes and tell me if you truly love me.
I don't understand. Where's all this coming from?
I ask a simple question.
Of course I do.
And you won't break my heart.
Okay. Are you alright? Is everything okay? What's going on?
Just answer me. Don't lie to me, please.
You're acting weird. But yeah, of course, I love you and no other woman can take your place in my heart.
Okay.
Okay.
The child was supposed to be my womb opener.
It's okay, babe. Okay? Don't beat yourself up too much. Maybe, just maybe, the baby didn't want to stay. That's why the bleeding happened. Okay? But on the brighter side, our wedding is coming up soon enough, and I know I can't pretend to know how you feel right now, but I just hope you cheers you. Alright?
Thank you.
And we're gonna make more babies, you know. 3 boys and 1 girl.
No, 2 girls and 2 boys.
No, I want you to have more soldiers, you know what I'm saying? Like, to defend you.
No, I want 2 girls and 2 boys, unless you want to carry one.
I know. That's all on you. That's all on you.
Samantha, can you leave me? But I love that girl.
But you know, there's nothing you can do. She's already with someone else and you're engaged to Barbara.
I don't love Barbara. The only reason I'm with Barbara is because of the family business.
Oh, guy, you'd have said this from the onset. Guy, you cannot just break Barbara's heart like that.
Well, I am going to do exactly that. If I go ahead and marry her, I will be miserable. I'll never be happy.
So what do you want to do now?
I'm going to make things right. I will.
There's something else, bro. Like, I don't even know what to say again.
What are you saying, Liam? That you are no longer interested in this relationship?
Look, I'm in love with someone else, please.
You are in love with someone else? Your PA, right?
How do you know?
Oh, I follow you everywhere.
You've been monitoring me? Why?
So you're in love with her?
Look, I'm very sorry. I take full responsibility for my actions.
Why, Liam? Did you have to break my heart like this? So, why did you propose to me if you never loved me from the onset? Why make our families believe that we're in love? Why? Wait a minute. So, after leaving me for that riffraff, Liam, you still have the nerves to walk in here to tell me you are sorry?
I'm sorry.
Leave my house right now! Yeah, leave my house! Go and never come back! I'm so heartless.
Samantha, please, don't leave me, okay? Please, I beg you. Beg you, don't leave me.
Oh, please, just run along to your fiancée, okay?
Samantha, look, I broke up with her, right? It's you I've always loved. I never loved her. Okay, but now she's out of the way. We can finally be together. Look, it's been my ego. I didn't know how to put it aside.
Yeah. Yes, I know all about your ego.
You do?
Yes. I'm sorry. It's late. I'm with someone else. I'm with Teddy, okay?
You can't be with Teddy. You can't be with Teddy.
Oh, yeah?
Look, I'm the one for you, okay? Teddy cannot take care of you. I can, alright? Look, I am the guy, alright? I am the man. I'm the man for you, alright? You can't be with anyone else. You're mine. Sorry, we belong to each other, alright?
I didn't know that. Anyways, sorry it won't work, because you know, I actually worked for you, so I know all about you and how much you like to control me like a child. All you want is just for me to be your sex toy to satisfy your urge. But I'm sorry. I can't come back to you. I can't be with you. Okay?
Samantha, no. Look, I'm a changed person. Alright? I'm a changed person. I'm a different man. Okay? I've changed.
Good for you. I'm so impressed.
Yes, we'll try again. Please, come on.
Just leave.
Where do you want me to go to?
To your fiancé, of course. Please just...
I said I broke up with her.
Just let me to... Can you just leave?
You heard the lady. Show's over. Leave.
And if I don't leave,
You really want me to answer that?
you really want smoke with me?
Oh, no, not in my house. Not now.
Walk away.
I've got my eyes on you. And you too. You're mine. Okay? Mine.
Keep looking. Babe, how you doing?
I'm okay.
Was it stressing you? Come here.
Dad, please don't call him for anything. I can't force a man to marry me. It doesn't matter, Dad. There are a lot of businessmen you can do business with. Dad, it's not a must I marry his son. That guy is so rude and arrogant. Dad, how can you advise me to marry a man who doesn't love me? Come on, Dad. It's ridiculous. Dad, please, let him go. I pray I meet a man who will love me genuinely. It's okay, Dad. I'll call you later. Bye. I love him so much. But he broke my heart. And it's still hard to forgive him.
Yes, Mom. I already told Dad. I have no feelings whatsoever for the girl. I mean, I was only just going with the flow because you were forcing it on me. That's it. Oh, yeah, she told you the girl got engaged. Okay. I will find somebody else. These are not the only two girls in the world, for crying out loud. I'm not being disrespectful. I'm just telling you to leave me alone. Oh man, Samantha, why? I mean, wasn't I better than him? Just leave me for that bald-headed fool.
I blessed the day I set my eyes on you.
Aww. Same here.
Why don't you drop this for a second?
Okay.
You know, losing you, getting back in contact, and now you're my wife. It could only mean one thing. That we're destined to be together.
Yes.
And I can't wait to start making babies with you.
And I can't wait to start our mini family together.
Okay, so how about we start now?
Now?
Yeah.
You want me to stop?
Forget
cooking?
about food, I want to eat you.
So you want us to go? You ready now? Yeah, let's go now. Maybe. They have to catch you!